It is Vlogcember day 7, and I just woke up a little bit ago. We actually slept till like 1:30, and then we woke up, ate some pizza, me and Kathy, and then went to Target, or she says Target, but went to Target and came back, and then now I'm just at home. I'm probably gonna get in the shower because I feel really gross, but vlog might be short today because it's already like 4 o'clock. Yeah, it's 3:26, so if I do anything, I'll vlog it, but for now, that's it. So I walk in my bathroom to find this when I was gonna get a shower. It fell, so now I have to fix it. Anyway, I fixed it. So I also want to tell you, I don't know if I told you about the 32 turkey buzzards that kept sitting in the tree out back my house, but we found out why. There's a half-eaten dead deer behind the shed, so that's why. But we're not going to move it or anything, so they'll probably come back. But I'm going to get a shower. Hi guys, sorry today's vlog was more on the boring side. It was partially because I didn't get up till like 2, so there wasn't much to my day. But we just got back from eating at Chick-fil-A. Pretty exciting, but now all I'm going to do is go upstairs and edit videos. This vlog is going to be literally probably like 4 minutes long, but it is what it is, and I will talk to you tomorrow for day 8 of Vlogcember.